Maharaj, in verse 19, Bali Maharaj's wife, Vindhyavali, she was very agitated and afraid when she saw, and aggrieved when she saw how her husband had been arrested and tied by the Varuna Pash by Garuda under the order of Vamanadeva. She folded her hands, Pranjali folded hands, and she spoke a verse, which is a very interesting verse. In chapter 22, verse 20. She said, Kritartam Atmanam Idam Tri Jagat Kritam Te. She said, "Oh my Lord Vamanadeva, you have created the entire universe for the enjoyment of your personal pastimes." In this verse, she's saying that this material world is created for lila, shristi lila, krita artam. Art means objective, value, wealth, attainment, purpose, sake of. So krita arta means the sake or purpose of lila, atmanam, artam atmanam, idam trigat kritam. This tri jagat, bhurvavaswa, all these lower, middle, and upper planetary systems. This is a krita, like we say rasa krita in Bhagavatam. Rasa krita means the pastimes of the rasa dance, or jal krita. Sometimes they say jal keli in Bengali. But in Sanskrit they say jal krita, water sporting or water splashing, water pastimes of Radha and Krishna and Radhakund, or Jamuna or Prem Sarovar or whatever, wherever. Kritartam. This material world is the Lord comes to this world to display His divine pastimes, to attract the conditioned souls to the sweetness of His Nara Leela, especially His Braj Leela. He comes once in a day of Brahma to attract those fortunate souls that can avail themselves to this pastime by seeing it directly in Boma Vrindavan, Prakat Leela, or hearing about it, coming in contact with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sampradaya, which is specifically broadcasting the lilas of Braj Bhakti through the writings and teachings of Raghunuga Bhakti and Braja Prema Bhakti. Why was the material created? For Krita, for the sake of pastimes. This is the pastime place, Mahavishnu's Leela Stali, the material world. He creates his material creation and glances at the creation and enters into the creation, every universe as Sriradakshay Vishnu, and enters into the heart of every jiva who is expanded from his glance, the Tasta Jivas, Jiva Shakti. And he's sitting there side by side, waiting to engage in pastimes with all the living entities.